Welcome to this beautiful Dutch Colonial home, situated on more than 2.5 acres in Newburgh. It's ideally located in the heart of wine country, where peace and privacy are all yours, yet it's close to city conveniences. The covered front porch invites you inside. Here you'll discover grand spaces for entertaining, hardwood floors, and tons of natural light. The gourmet kitchen is beautifully updated with an elegant cooktop island, abundant storage, and fine finishes. It opens to the dining area with a cozy fireplace. On the upper level, unwind in the huge vaulted master suite. It's complete with a walk-in closet and a thoughtfully updated master bath. This home of more than 4,300 square feet has 4 large bedrooms and 3.5 baths. The spacious basement with egress is a flexible space for any number of uses and includes a bedroom with a wet bar and a full bath. Enjoy the tranquility of the large covered deck. Relax in the hot tub. Or make memories by the fire pit. The level acreage includes outbuildings and plenty of room for all of your chickens and goats. A perfect opportunity to get out of the city and enjoy quiet country living. It's all here on Northeast Putnam Road, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeffry Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.